Yeah, hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk about what is Snapchat Plus. Now let's take a look at that. Now first thing I want you to do is open your Snapchat app and then click on your avatar icon at the top left corner. Now once you click on that, right here you're going to find the Snapchat Plus option. Tap on that. Here you're going to find choose a subscription, 1 month, 12 months. All right, but we're not going to do that now. If you look right here at the top, you find this learn more. Click on that, and this is where you're going to learn about the Snapchat Plus. Now here it says, as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can get exclusive experimental and pre-release features for $3.99 per month. These features enhance and customize your Snapchat experience, enabling you to dive deeper into the parts of the app you use the most. Plus, you can peep cool new features before anyone else's. So this is exactly what the Snapchat Plus is all about. Now, if you look right here, it says get this exclusive feature with Snapchat Plus. These are the features you can get when you subscribe to the Snapchat Plus. The first one is the Ghost Trial on the map. The second one is Best Friends Forever, right? Pin as one best friend, right? The next one is story rewatch indicator. So if someone watches your story twice, then get you have the chance to see the person. All right. The next one is customize app icon slash theme, Snapchat badge, friend solar system, priorities, story replies, post view emoji, bitmoji background. All right. So these are the exclusive features of the Snapchat Plus. So guys, this is just what the Snapchat Plus is all about. All right, so that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hope you're now able to understand what the Snapchat Plus is all about. If it was, then give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips on how to use your Snapchat app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.